Hi guys, this is Beauty Blog by AK and I want to share with you my favorite go-to look. I'm going to be using this Conair fine tooth comb to go ahead and section my hair. I also use rubber bands to hold up my hair because I have so much, and gator clips. These come in handy as well. So we're ready to go. I'm going to be using this Kiss Argan Oil heat protecting oil that actually helps and smooth out my curls once they are being touched by the heat that I'm going to be using. Also, safety first, use a glove and use a sparkling curling wand. This is the Glamour Addict ceramic curling wand in barrel size 32 millimeters. This is my favorite barrel because it gives the largest curls, and as you can see, they're super uniform, super smooth. I'm just going to go on in. As you can see right here, I'm going to be brushing them out with that same fine tooth comb by Conair because I like more of a textured look, and I make sure to give my hair the proper protection and have the oil distributed throughout each hair follicle. Again, you could see I do like more of a textured look, so I'm going to be going in with that Conair fine tooth comb and my fingertips. Here's a close-up of just the texture. It's so beautiful. This is my natural wave and it's very broken. I like more of a uniform curl, so this is what my hair looks like without any products. As you can see, the difference is just like wow. It looks like a completely different type of hair. I mean, I don't know. I think so. I love it. And these products really help. Almost done, halfway through. I use this IGK Beach texturing spray, which just gives my hair even more texture because I love the way that looks. It just looks a little more natural. And now we're off to the second side. And here's a close-up of just exactly what I'm working with. I mean, you see all of that? It's so great to have amazing products that help me achieve the perfect look that I desire. And I mean, girl, yes, you need to get this wand. It's currently on sale. There are thousands of hand-placed crystals, and these are iridescent, so it looks really different in all different types of lights. You see more blues, you see more pinks. It's just a really beautiful wand, but not only that, there are different barrels that come with it. So this is just the 32 millimeter barrel curl that you will get. Again, I'm going in with the IGK Beachy texturing spray, almost finished, and I keep going in with that Kiss Argan Oil because it's just so good. I'll make sure to link all of the products below. And you know, when you curl your hair, it actually gives you less length because it brings your curl up, so that's why I brush it as well. And I like to just loosen up the waves because I like my length. Almost done. So yeah, the last curl. So happy. This is the best part. And again, I'll be going in with my Fat Boy Putty. I love this stuff, especially for like my baby hairs and the flyaways, because I like more of a smooth, defined finish. And also that brush by Conair is amazing. Again, I'll link all these products below. And to top it off, I use the OGX Humidity Locking Spray. And this is the final look. I hope you love it. Let me know what you'd like to see on my channel next.